Hi everybody and welcome back to today's cryptocurrency video. It's your guy here, the old coin doctor here, bringing you the latest cryptocurrency analysis on your favorite coins. And if you like the channel, please do not forget to click on the like button, click on subscribe button, as we would be bringing you all the analysis on all your favorite cryptocurrencies. Today we would be looking at why we could see Jasmy at very high price targets, and we would be looking at how high can Jasmy go in the next few months, currently in 2023 at the making of this video. As you can see, we have Jasmy coin right down on our chart, and as you can see, we still have a market cap of 315 million with a rank of 135, a 24-hour volume of about 633. And as you can see, in the last 1 month, we have been up about 37%. In the last 1 week, we have been up about 20.5%. In the last day, at about 4.9%. So without further ado, let's also move over to the chart. And the first chart we want to look at, right, is this chart for Jasmy versus the USD dollars on the daily time frame, and Binance is the data source. Now, one of the things you will notice, if we have drawn our Fibonacci retracement, and what our Fibonacci helps us to do is to help us recognize levels and help us see where price could go. And one of the things we could see with Fibonacci is that Fibonacci happens around us. It happens in nature. It happens just you could see it on the charts. You could see it on your daily basis. So Fibonacci, right, is a particular series of numbers that happens every single place in nature. And as you can see perfectly, right, drawn right down from the top at about the, let's get this off, right down at about the top out on 7th of January, right down to our lows on the 27th of May, right? These are the highest and lower tops even for this year, right? And if we just draw that Fibonacci retracement, we could see that we should be expecting a huge price point even for the price of Jasmy at about the 0.022 level. So probably so we should be expecting to see price at the 0.021 level. And I'll be giving you more proofs that helps us validate what our Fibonacci retracement tool is giving us. As you can see right now, we're getting rejected even at the zero point 0.5 region for the Fibonacci. As you can see right now, we are in the region of the zero point 0.5 and the 0.618, right? As you can see, we are being rejected, and currently, according to our Fibonacci, we should be expecting to see the price of Jasmy at about the 0.021 level. Let's not forget, right down here, what we have is the altcoin doctors indicator, and this is an indicator I made to show us when price is bullish and when price is bearish. And as you can see, since then, right, since down from the 2nd of April, we have been bullish on Jasmy, as you can see on the daily, and we have been expecting higher price targets even to the upside, right? If we shift over down even to this chart, as you can see, this is a supply and demand chart even for Jasmy on the daily time frame. This is Jasmy versus the US dollars, and we have drawn our support, our supply and demand. And what supply and demand basically seems to help us understand is that where is a lot of buy pressure, and as you can see, we had huge buy pressure, more probably from the whales and from the institutions, right down at the 0.00324 level, right? Since then, we are having to understand that we have huge, right, supply down even at the 0.024 region, right? As you can see, the same thing we're having on our Fibonacci retracement tool, right, around the 0.02 mark. So we should be expecting price to get to that supply region. As you can see, we should be expecting about a 216% on the minimum price, even for Jasmy on the medium to long term. And as you can see, we have a huge supply. And the way supply and demand works, most of the time, right, we see price shift down even to the demand zone, and then we see price is attracted like a magnet even to the supply zone. So right down from our levels, we should be expecting a push, right, of minimum of about 200 to 300%, right, based on our supply and demand. As you can see, uh, price is being attracted by our supply zone, so we should expect to see a 300% in the push in price, even for Jasmy in the medium to long term. As you can see, right, we have a huge, right, order block at the 0.02 mark, so we should be expecting some huge sell zones at this area at the moment, right? So probably we could see another huge push to the upside. As we know, another thing I want to show us is altcoin season, right? Altcoin season is coming, and just by this chart, right, if you can see, if you bought every single time, right, our altcoin index was in the minus, you would have been profitable. I mean, the last time we were in this minus was the 28th of December. I mean, if you had bought Jasmy on the 28th of December, as you can see right here, you will literally have bought the bottom for Jasmy, as you can see right down. Since then, we have had a huge push up, even of about 200%, right? And the next one we are seeing, right, is the 10th of April. We had a minus 4%, as you can see, right? So what is telling us on the 4th of April, as you can see, this is that around here that we could see a huge pump. I mean, the 4th of April is synonymous with down the 28th, as you can see, based on our altcoin season that currently is Bitcoin season, and we're about to enter into the altcoin month, right? So every single time we can see on our altcoin seasons where price has been at the minus, this has been the best time to get into altcoins and buy more altcoins, as we have seen price push high and high even to the upside, as you can see. So we are expecting furthermore push even to the upside, even for Jasmy on the medium to long term. Same thing as you can see, right? Our supply and demand zones telling us that we probably should be expecting higher price targets even for Jasmy, even to the upside. As we could see, our next huge supply zone is at the 0.024 region, which is a 333% shift in the price for Jasmy on the medium to long term, right? So that's our analysis on how high we believe Jasmy is going to move for the 2023-2024 right region. If you like the channel, please do not forget to click on the like button, click on the subscribe button. Thank you for watching and have an awesome day. Thank you.